everybody. It's Gail from Me, Myself, and Mary Kay. I hope you had a wonderful 4th of July weekend. We did here in Chicago. We spent time as a family out on Lake Geneva and enjoyed the sunshine. We have a pontoon, so it was a great weekend, and I hope yours was as well, and that everybody is safe and happy. So today I wanted to jump on here and talk to you about lips. Lips, especially in the summertime, can present sometimes a bit of a challenge when it's super hot out, and I thought I would give you some different options that really work for me. One of which is our first limited edition product. This is our Mary Kay Intuitive pH Lip Balm in pink. Comes in a tube like this, and I even have an extra little tip for you here. What this does is it balances to the perfect shade what would work for your lips. It sort of cooks, if you will, with the temperature of your body. This is nice because it's very thin, it's very creamy and moisturizing, but it's not an oily, slippery feel. And so this product is nice, for example, if you're out on the boat like I was this weekend, in the water and in the sunshine. It was, I think we got to 98 yesterday. So it was very hot up here, and I don't want to have to wear a lot of makeup or look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. I want to keep it fresh and clean, and really very simple when I'm being active and in the water. So this is an ideal product that not only, if you can see, is changing to my perfect lip color. But here's another little tip for you. So since it warms with your body temperature, if you simply put it on your cheek and rub, you get the most natural looking blush you can imagine. And it's just very soft. It's not, you're not gonna see any line of demarcation. You can put it up on your eyes, dab it on to give a little color there. And then you feel a little more like yourself when you're out with friends and things, in the water, at the beach, you know, when it's super hot out. So again, that's our Intuitive Lip Balm, and it's really, can really pack a punch. Lots of double duty work. So try that. I love that. I love to be able to get the most out of our products. Okay. I'm going to wipe this off. And then I wanted to talk about Satin Lips. One of the things, this is an older set, or part of it is, this is one of our mint ones from the holidays, and I've been hoarding it because I love that peppermint feeling. Our everyday Satin Lip set does not. But this was a special one at the holidays. But nonetheless, it's the same thing, same formula and whatnot today. So one of the mistakes that I see people make is they do not exfoliate their lips. And when they go try to put on lip gloss, lipstick, lip liner especially, they get all that yuck. So you really want to prep. And typically I do this the night before, part of my nighttime beauty routine. And you're just gonna take a small amount, like so, on your finger, right into your lips, and it's got like little sandy beads, if you will, to exfoliate your lips. You wanna get all those dead, yucky skin cells off of there so you have a fresh, smooth canvas to work with. I'm gonna just dab my cloth here. So leave that on for a few minutes and clean it off. And they feel uber smooth. Then you want to follow up with your Satin Lips. This is the lip balm. So it's a 2-piece set. First you exfoliate with the scrub, and then you use the lip balm. And again, I usually do this with my nighttime routine before I go to bed at night. And I really go with my balm. I go with my balm in nice and heavy and get them just good and plump. So in the morning they feel wonderful. Okay, so that's 2 things you can do to obtain fabulous lips. The next one is I'm going to show you different ways to apply your lip liner and lipstick to get the most out of again, the summer heat is so hard to keep product on your face, and you don't necessarily want to look like you have a lot on. Well, this product, which is our Time Wise Lip Primer, this actually can be used at bedtime as well. It's an age-fighting lip primer, and it fights the look of lines and wrinkles on and around the lips. So even if you have lines in your lips, it's going to help diminish that too. But you know, as we age, we get these crepey little lovely lines. This is going to help with that. And ultimately, this is going to help you keep your lip products on throughout the whole day. So you can go outside of the line with this, inside, really get your lips good and primed, and that will help again to set your lipstick for the whole day. Now I have a couple of tricks here for you. I'm going to start with, this is our lip liner, and this is in Rose, and I'm hoping I can use this one because I think it broke off. And I'm going to apply this, and I'll come in a little bit here for you, so hopefully you can see. I'm going to outline my lips like we typically do. Like so. You can draw outside of the line if you want to try to make your lips look a little bigger. But here's a really great tip for summertime when it's 100 degrees out and you're at the cabin in the woods. And you have company coming for a picnic and you don't want to be having to deal with your makeup, but you want it to stay. Line the outside of your lips and then also line the inside. So you're just going to line all over and color in your lips like so. I hope you can see. With your primer. This will stay all day long. If you just did this, added a little bit of lip gloss over top, it will stay all day long. And that's great for outside water. Like I say, if you're at the cabin, if you're on your boat, whatever you like to do in the summertime, gardening, do this. It'll be a matte look that will stay all day long. If you want to spice it up a little bit, take your favorite lip gloss and just dab it over the top. It'll stay all day long, you guys. I promise you will love it. But what I'm going to do today is apply, I believe this is traditional pink. Yep, I'm going to do traditional pink over the top of my lip liner. And again, I'm hoping you can see this. You never know where to look with these videos. Our lipsticks are so creamy and delicious. The colors are amazing. The formula, it stays all day long. But again, if you use my trick of lining your lips with the lip pencil all the way around, and then if you want just a little pop of shine, pop some lip gloss. Otherwise, go over it with your lipstick. Again, this will stay all day long. Now, one other last little trick I have for you to keep your lipstick on all day long is to take a piece of tissue like I have here. I'm hoping you can see this. Yep. So you're going to just peel it apart like so. So you just get one very, very light little sheet here. And you're going to take our translucent powder And just very lightly, just put a little bit right in. And I'm gonna take our powder brush, get a little bit on there. And then you're going to take your tissue and right through the tissue you just dab the powder, and that will make it stay. And then lastly, one good old trick is the old finger trick. Make sure you do a boop like that, and you won't end up with lipstick on your teeth, because don't we all know somebody that always has lipstick on their teeth? So share that little tip with them if you will. But those are my tips and tricks for getting the most bang for your buck, prepping, priming your lips, using primer on your lips, lining your lips, and using lip gloss, lipstick, whatever you want for the day. And you will be foolproof, summer-proof, and free to enjoy your day. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I am trying to build this channel and see where I can take this, and hopefully encourage other women to reach for their dreams and their goals as well. So have a great day, you guys. Thanks for visiting with me today. And yeah, stay cool out there, and we will get through this together. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.